In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that controls how large your text appears when you compose emails, so your messages are easier to write and read. Start by opening your browser and heading to yahoo.com. At the top right of the page, click Sign In. On the Sign In screen, select the Sign In option again if you're prompted. Then enter your email address and your password. Use your own credentials here and complete any security checks if they appear. Click Next or press Enter to finish signing in. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page and click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. If you see more than one mail prompt, just choose the mail option that takes you directly to your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to the upper right and click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings to open the full settings page with all available options. On the left sidebar, choose Writing an Email. This is where Yahoo keeps your default formatting preferences for composing messages. If you don't see the size options right away, scroll down until you find the section for default rich text formatting. Here you'll see controls for the default font, size, and possibly color. To increase the size of your text, select Large. If you prefer something different, pick the size that suits you best. Medium is often the default, while large makes your text more readable without feeling oversized. Choose what's comfortable for your audience and consistent with your style. This setting affects new messages you compose going forward, including replies and forwards using the rich text editor. It won't change the appearance of emails you've already sent or received. There's no separate save button here. Yahoo Mail saves these changes automatically. After you choose your preferred size, you can simply navigate away from settings or return to your inbox. The next time you compose an email, your typing will use the size you just selected by default. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. This setting controls the compose window's default size, not the zoom level of your browser or the size of text and emails you're reading from others. If incoming messages look small or large, that's usually determined by how those messages were formatted by the sender or by your browser's zoom. Also, if you collaborate with teams or follow brand guidelines, select a size that balances readability and professionalism. And that's it. Your default font size in Yahoo Mail is updated.